Namaste children. I am your maths teacher from Dalmia Vidya Mandir School, Dalmiapuram. Children, I hope everyone is very fine in your home. In today's class, we are going to learn about the review of numbers up to 999. In the first unit, today we are going to learn how can we find out the largest number among the given numbers. Children, now we are able to see 5 numbers: 26, 281, 15, 342, 324. Among these 5 numbers, now we have to find out which one is the largest number. To find out the largest number, first we have to check the number of digits in all the numbers. Look at the number 26. Here only 2 digits are present. In 281, 3 digits are present. 15, only 2 digits are present. In 342, 3 digits are present. In 324, 3 digits are present. Children, among the 2 digit and 3 digit numbers, which one is the largest number? Always 3 digit numbers are the largest number compared to 2 digit number. Now you are able to see 26 and 15. Both of them are 2 digit numbers. So they are the smallest numbers compared to the 3 digit number. So we can leave the numbers 26 and 15. We can take the remaining 3 numbers 281. Here 3 digits are present. 342. Here also 3 digits are present. 324. Here also 3 digits are present. Look at all the 3 numbers. In all the 3 numbers, the number of digits are equal. All the 3 numbers have 3 digits. If the number of digits are equal, then we have to check the 100 place to find out the largest number. Look at the number 281. In 100 place, 2 is present. In 342, 3 is present in 100 place. In 324, 3 is present in 100 place. Look at the number 2 and 3. Among these 2 numbers, which one is the largest number? 3 is the largest number compared to 2. So, 281 is the smallest number. So, we can leave this number. Now, we can take only these 2 numbers, 342 and 324. Now, look at both numbers. In 342, 3 is present in 100 place. In 324, again 3 is present in 100 place. So, 100 place is equal in both numbers. If the 100 place is equal in both numbers, then we have to check the tens place. Now, look at the tens place. In 342, 4 is present in tens place. In 324, 2 is present in tens place. Among these 2 numbers, 4 and 2, which one is the largest number? 4 is the largest number. So, from that we can identify 342 is the largest number. So, the largest number is 342. Now, we can go to the next sum. 658. 672, 645, 639, 619. Here also 5 numbers are there. To find out the largest number, first we have to check the number of digits. Look at all the numbers. In all the numbers, only 3 digits are present. So the number of digits are equal in all the numbers. If the number of digits are equal, then we have to check the 100 place to find out the largest number. Now look at the 100 place. In 658, 6 is present in 100 place. In 672, again 6 is present in 100 place. In 645, 6 is present in 100 place. Look at the next 2 numbers also. 639 and 619. In both numbers, 6 is present. So, in all the numbers, the 100 place is equal. Because in all the numbers, in 100 place, only 6 is present. So, the 100 place is equal in all the numbers. If the 100 place is equal in all the numbers, Then we have to check the tens place to find out the largest number. Now look at the tens place. In 658, 5 is present. In 672, 7 is present in tens place. In 645, 4 is present in tens place. In 639, 3 is present. In 619, 1 is present. Now look at the tens place alone. Here you are able to see 5, 7, 4, 3 and 1. So among these numbers 5, 7, 4, 3, 1. Which one is the largest number? 7 is the largest number. So from that we can identify 672 is the largest number. So the largest number is 672. Children, we will see the remaining in the next class.